Hey guys, today I'm going to be creating this background image for Valentine's Day. If you're new here, my name is Sylvia. Please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. And I'm just going to walk you through the process that I did when I was creating this. So it's going to be kind of like a time-lapse video. I don't usually like to talk over the video because most of the process in my creation process is just freestyling it and just exploring ideas and seeing what I want to create. So I'm just sharing the recording process of how that design came to be. I hope you guys enjoy and follow along if you're interested. I like to keep the recording so that if I ever need to go back and redo a design, I have them done. So then I just check it out on my channel, which is what I like to do. So anyway, thank you for being here. Remember to like, subscribe, and I'm gonna let the music play over as it plays, and you guys enjoy the video and let me know what you think of the outcome. So yeah. So I just want to say thank you if you made it all the way through to the end, and I want to wish you guys a very happy Valentine's Day. And as usual, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.